Hi, I'm Bjorn. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make creamy mashed potatoes. This recipe is a perfect side to any meat or fish dish and can be enjoyed all year long. Start by peeling 6 or 7 potatoes. It'll give you about 10 cups when cut in cubes. Place the cubed potatoes in an Instant Pot and pour in water until the potatoes are almost covered. Then secure the lid on the Instant Pot. Close the vent and pressure cook for 8 minutes. Quick release when done. When the pressure is released and it's safe to do so, remove the lid. Now carefully remove the pot and drain the water. When the water is drained, add a 1/4 cup butter, a 1/3 cup of yogurt or sour cream, and a 1/3 cup of milk. And then you mash the potatoes using a potato masher. We love to hear from you. Drop us a comment. And there you have it, creamy mashed potatoes. Top a lobster for a special dish. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.